The final week of April 2026 shows strong and steady progress in the transformation of Camp Nou. Work is advancing across the roof, facade, and surrounding areas, with multiple construction phases moving forward together and bringing the stadium closer to its final modern look. Stay with us, as today we bring you the latest updates from Camp Nou. The roof system continues to be the most critical part of the project. This week, major progress has been made in the compression ring, with new steel sections added on the eastern and northern sides, improving overall stability and allowing the next phase of roof work to move ahead. Heavy steel beams are being lifted with precision using high-capacity cranes, while key roof support nodes are now partially connected to distribute load more efficiently. At the same time, tension cables are being installed step by step, with regular testing to ensure the structure can handle wind and weather conditions. With expanded working platforms, multiple teams are now operating at once, speeding up progress. The roof is clearly evolving from a basic framework into a more connected and defined structure. Today's most exciting update comes from the South Goal area, where concreting is progressing steadily with a pump supplying material to a new superpillar. Several completed superpillars are now fully concreted, structurally connected, and stripped of formwork, showing clear progress into the tribune zone. The workflow remains continuous, with the next superpillar already prepared to avoid delays. Inside the core structures, teams are completing steel framework and beam welding, while drainage pipelines for the cantilever system are already installed, marking solid progress in utility integration. Inside the stadium, seating installation is creating one of the biggest changes. Major progress has been made across upper and middle tiers. Prefabricated seats are being installed rapidly, with each row aligned for viewing angles and comfort. In premium sections, wider seating and additional features are also being prepared. The color patterns are starting to emerge, showing the stadium's final interior identity. Beyond seating, interior work is transforming the stadium into a functional space. Walls are being installed, and systems like ventilation, wiring, and plumbing are being integrated. Hospitality areas, corridors, and service zones are taking shape. The pace suggests many sections will soon be ready for finishing touches. In the background, the future Barca store and cafe areas are visible. Even without major changes, these spaces are key to the stadium's transformation. They will help create a complete fan experience beyond football. The facade is now entering a more advanced and visible stage. Over the past week, new composite panels have been installed across lower and mid-level sections, especially on the southern and western sides of the stadium. Installation has become faster and more accurate thanks to an improved mounting system, helping create a smoother and more uniform exterior. Glass panels are also being added in key areas like VIP zones and entrances, allowing natural light inside while maintaining efficiency. Better coordination between external and internal teams is ensuring that systems like ventilation and lighting align perfectly with the facade. Overall, the stadium's outer shell is now becoming more continuous and visually complete. Work around the stadium is also progressing steadily. In the northern plaza, new concrete surfaces have been completed to support large crowds, while pedestrian pathways are now clearly defined and being finished with safety materials. Drainage systems have been installed to manage heavy rain, and landscaping work has started in green zones with soil preparation and irrigation systems already in place. These steps are part of improving the stadium's overall environment. Overall, the final week of April 2026 highlights consistent progress across all major areas of Camp Nou. With roof, facade, and external development moving forward together, the project is steadily approaching its next big milestone, and its final modern design is becoming more visible with each passing week.